Good morning, students. So take down the next side heading, that is guarantee of profit to a partner. So this is the last topic which is remaining in this chapter. So in this case, what happens? A certain profit is guaranteed to a partner. Say for example, there are three partners A, B, C. And B has guaranteed to C that he will be giving him 10,000 rupees profit every year, no matter whatever his profit sharing ratio is. But if C has got the profit of 8,000 per year, so what will happen? B will give his part of 2,000 rupees to Mr. C because he has guaranteed rupees 10,000 profit to the partner. So sometimes a partner is guaranteed that he shall get a certain minimum amount of profit of the firm. Such a guarantee may be given either by one of the partners or two or by all the partners in a particular ratio. When the profits of the firm are not adequate, then the excess paid to the guaranteed partner should be charged to the partner who has given the guarantee. So let's take down illustration 69. Aman, Babita and Suresh are partners in the firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:2:1. However, Suresh is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 10,000 as share of profit every year. Any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by Babita. The profit for the 2 year ending 31st March 2016 and 17 were 40,000 and 60,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for 2 years. So in this problem, we need to prepare profit and loss appropriation for year ending 2016 and 2017. So first, let's calculate the amount of profit to all the three partners. So write down calculation of profit. So we have three partners, that is Aman, Babita and Suresh. So what is the total profit? Total profit for the year 2016 is 40,000. For the year ending 2016. So Aman, it is 40,000 into what is the profit sharing ratio? 2:2:1. So 40,000 into 2 by 5, that is 16,000. 40,000 into 2 by 5, again 16,000. Suresh, it is 40,000 into 1 by 5, that is 8,000. So now the profit of Suresh for 2016 is 8,000. But how much is the minimum profit guaranteed? It is 10,000. And who has guaranteed it? Babita has guaranteed it. So what will happen in this case? Babita will give her share of profit to Suresh of 2,000. So her profit will reduce by 2,000 and Suresh profit will increase by 2,000. So after you are done calculating the profit, the next step is to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So debit side, credit side, write down the heading profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2016. We have particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So the first step is to bring down the profit. So by profit and loss account, what's the profit for 2016? It is 40,000. Then we'll transfer the profit to partners capital account. We have Aman, we have Babita and we have Suresh. So we have already calculated our profit. It is 16,000 for Aman. Babita, it will be 16,000 minus 2,000. Why minus 2,000? Because she had guaranteed a profit of 10,000 to Suresh. So it is 14,000. And Suresh, it is 8,000 plus 2,000, that is 10,000. total will be 40,000. So our total is 40,000 debit, 40,000 credit. So after the profit and loss appropriation account, write down the note. The minimum guaranteed amount to Suresh is rupees 10,000, whereas his share of profit as per the profit sharing ratio works out to be rupees 8,000 only. Full stop. Hence, there is a shortfall of rupees 2,000 which will be borne by Babita. Borne means B-O-R-N-E. Clear? Next we need to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 2017. So write down the heading. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2017. We have particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So the first step is to bring down the profit. By profit and loss account for 2017 it is 60,000, and then we will transfer it to partners capital account. We have Aman. How much will it be for Aman? 60,000 into 2 by 5, that is 24,000. Then we have Babita, 60,000 into 2 by 5, again 24,000. And then we have Suresh, 60,000 into 1 by 5, that is 12,000. So in this case of the year ending 2017, the profit of Suresh is 12,000, which is more than 10,000. So Babita need not give her share of profit. So total is 60,000 debit and 60,000 credit. So below this table write down, Suresh's share is more than the guaranteed amount in the year 2017, full stop. Hence there is no need for any adjustment. Let's see one more problem, that is illustration 70. A, B, C are partners sharing profit in the ratio 5:4:1. C is given a guarantee that his share of profit in any given year would be 5,000. Deficiency, if any, would be borne by A and B equally. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2016 amounted to 40,000. Pass necessary journal entries. So in this problem we need to write down the journal entries. So write down journal entries. So date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. The first entry will be on 31st March 2016, that is bringing down the profit. So it is profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. So what is the profit? 40,000 debit, 40,000 credit. So what is the narration? Transfer of profit. Clear? The last journal entry we'll have is on 31/3/16, that is there are 3 partners and we'll be transferring it to the partners capital account. So it is profit and loss appropriation account debited to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account. So we need to calculate the profit. So write down calculation of profit. For A it is 40,000 into 5/10, 20,000. For B it is 40,000 into 4/10, that is 16,000. And for C it is 40,000 into 1/10, that is 4,000. But what is the minimum profit guaranteed to Mr. C? It is 5,000 rupees. But what is his profit? It is only 4,000 rupees. So A and B will give him equal share. So A will give him 500 rupees, B will give him 500 rupees. So what is the profit of A now? 19,500. B it is 15,500 and C it will be 5,000. Clear? So take down this calculation after the journal entries. Now write down the amount. A's capital is 19,500. B is 15,500. C is 5,000. Our total will be 40,000. So write down the narration. Profit distributed to partners. Below the calculation of profit, write down C share in profit is rupees 4,000, whereas the minimum guaranteed amount is rupees 5,000. Full stop. Hence the deficiency will be borne by A and B equally. After this, we need to prepare our profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31/3/2016. We have particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So first thing is by profit and loss account. How much is it? 40,000. Then last we have to partners capital account. We have A. How much is the profit for A? It is 20,000 minus 500, that is 19,500. We have B. 16,000 minus 500, that is 15,500. We have C. 4,000 plus 1,000, that is 5,000. Total is 40,000. How did we write our journal entry? It was just writing profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account first entry, and it was profit and loss appropriation account debited to partners capital account. So whenever they have guaranteed a particular share of profit to a partner, it will be borne by the partner who has guaranteed it. So clear? So we shall be working out the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.